One second. This is for 4/06/2020 at 8 o'clock, right? At 8 o'clock. You can see here H column 174 at 8 o'clock PM 2.5.
Okay.
Here, if we see last one, it is 326.
Yeah, it is
So there
mismatching.
is huge variation.
Correct.
At 8 o'clock, whatever Shivani is given, it is 174. Here it is 326. This
Correct.
much huge variation I am seeing.
Hmm.
How did they I think something program is
That's
fault in
what. So,
Shivani's code.
correct, correct.
Otherwise this much.
The data which they are scrapping, some date format or some
Yeah.
issue which even I can feel, so that the data which is extracting it will be correct, but like aligning with the date, they
Yeah,
have some
because
issues.
Yeah, this
I
one
think.
we can check it, right, Ravi? We can check it, right? Manually we can download the data. We can check that
Mm,
Excel. We have one link,
you are,
right? How they are doing. I'll give that link. Yeah.
but I did not get you, Lakshmi Narayan.
So
Go
yeah,
to
I'll give you one
web
link.
browser. No, here itself I think it is there. I think go to that web browser.
We can download, right? We can download the
Here,
Excel
come down,
of
come
the
down,
hourly
come
data.
down. No, no, come down.
One second. Why? One second. Okay.
List of AQS stations with data of about that one. So download and see if it is coming proper or not in that Excel. Definitely the same code should be there, even if you are scrapping through background, the same code should be there.
Mhm.
So
If it
once we
is,
hmm, tell.
if we are able to download from here, it is also okay. It is also good. I'm not getting any pop-up from here.
It will download Excel, I think so. See,
No, no, I did not get anything. Lakshmi Narayan, can you try in your?
Yeah. I'm pinging in the in our Zoom chat.
Okay. Okay.
Just check click on the link for the date which you are trying. I pinged in the Zoom chat.
Okay. If you think like Shivani has told us, we have already done data collection part. Now, if we show her, you have downloaded the data, whichever the data you have downloaded is completely
correct,
wrong.
correct. So we will not tell we have done the alternate way. We will try to
Uh,
show us what mistakes they have done. Okay, one after the other. Then they
yeah,
will see
we need to show them correctly. Like here, you can see 113 at this time, but in your data, it is fault. So again, they need to start again from data collection.
they will be keep on doing same task. So Ravi, let it load. For that,
Okay, I will stop share.
no. Keep
Mm.
continue. No problem.
I think I think some issue with our notebook because for me it's opened. I can
Mm.
for the data I can select it. You are selected for Delhi, right? And
One
station.
second, I will stop share. You can share your screen. Yes,
Yeah.
it is coming.
Oh, coming right. Okay. Then
Uh,
select whatever
tab.
data you are trying there.
Yeah, it
You
is
need to select
download.
the city. We need to select the city also. City station.
Which station they are
No,
selecting every time?
you can go right where you are seeing the AQI. You can see there also we have station there. The URL where you are seeing the AQI data. Not here. AQI data. You are seeing AQI, right? You are scrapping AQI from one URL.
This one.
Yeah, yeah. This one you have Anand Vihar, Delhi Anand
Okay.
Vihar.
Anand Vihar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I
So
selected Anand Vihar.
yeah, so right side you need to, in parameters you need to select all or whatever parameters you are seeing. Select. Yeah. So
And
now we can select the date.
format, is it only tabular or a CSV or Excel, something it is there?
No, it will download it. It will give the option. If you click on submit, it will give different options, PDF
Okay.
or Excel.
Hmm.
It will give the
Yeah.
option.
So click some January something, then start. September, October. Yeah, there is also.
Did not get any pop-up. Will it take some time?
Sorry, I wasn't talking in mute. I think it should not take much time.
But what is that
Mhm.
downloaded Excel AQA all stations?
This is for one day
But
only. This one is before.
Now it came, right? No, now it's
No,
loaded.
no, still it is loading. This is before one, Delhi June.
No, no, not this one. The Chrome browser, something came up.
Yes.
Top option is there. Just check.
top, you have Excel option.
Yeah.
You can download.
So this data directly in CSV it is coming. This reference we can keep it. This is good. No.
Is Shivani downloading this data?
This data only. I feel this data only. Based on the scrapping
Okay.
of the code, based on the Python code, what we saw, it is handling this whole flow.
Okay, let us see here.
Yeah, here also you can see
October,
some sample.
October 1st, Jesus.
బిడ్డడా రూమ్ లోకి వెళ్ళండి అమ్మా డోర్ ఏం వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు
70,
బిడ్డడా
45.
వెళ్ళమ్మా ప్లీజ్ డోర్ వేసి వెళ్ళు మమ్మీ అరుస్తానంటే డోర్ అయినా
Not sure why the data is coming like this. October 1st. To date is October 2nd.
that is what every day it is every hour also it is showing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. It is taking for a day from October 1st to October 2nd. It is taking 24 hours here. It is not giving hourly data. You can see from and
No,
to
actually
every
while
day.
downloading, you should go click on back. You should select the format of hourly because previously you selected
back
24 hours.
not here.
No, back button. So there we have option criteria option.
Criteria 24
Yeah,
hours.
click on. No, it is how you should
Hour.
select hourly.
Even 15 minutes also there.
No, you should select the parameters. Then only you'll get that. It is at 11th. Okay, you selected 11th. Today's date. Yeah.
Okay. Let us see for 11th only. Change it.
So 11th, check at
1
1
to
o'clock.
10.
1 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah.
$238.
218.
238. Where is
275 it is there here.
what data you are checking there? PM10 only?
No, PM 2.5. 177 is there.
Same
here.
na?
177. No, here 218 at 1 o'clock. 11.
But it is Aya Vihar, right? Here you are checking another Vihar, but Excel or something different way. It is a different station. Aya Nagar.
Okay,
checking
here
Aya
it changed it again. 355.
Okay, even though that is it's different.
That's why Shivani data is also wrong.
Mm-mm. So better we scrap from this to take the last hour data. We can go with that.
Because if we see
Yes,
this,
Ishwar saying.
if we see this AQI, this is calculated completely from here only. From
Yes,
these,
yes.
this is the correct data, but where this is the wrong data we are getting.
Mm-mm.
Okay. I have tried today to get this data also, 355 this data also.
So you got it right, that one?
Yeah, trying. Here 103, it came.
Yeah, good. So, throughout the code, I want only that part. Like now, I am running. Okay, anyhow, I will be like doing more in Colab. So, what I have to do to save this or to restart from where I have exited? You told it
I
will. It
did
will
not
not.
get him.
See, I am doing.
Mm,
I kept a January date to
mm,
August. Okay, or June, I think,
mm.
and I am running the
Okay.
code. Okay, so how much I spent now? If the data is saving automatically, it will be
Mm,
good, right? We can keep that backup for our resource. Correct. So
yeah.
if it was coming exception, what I have to
Mm,
do to save that data? Like you told, it
okay.
will not restart from
Yeah,
the
yeah.
starting.
Let me.
Mm,
Yes. One second. Here I got error. It stopped here, right?
mm,
On day 4, it stopped.
mm,
Now, if you can see here, has run only up to 18th hour. It did not go up to 23 hours data. So you can think up to day 3, it is completely done.
mm,
So you need to do like you need to save this. All these are temporary variables, right?
mm,
All these are lists, we can say.
mm,
So before restarting the program, you need to save that in Excel up to
mm,
where you can see June 3rd, right?
mm,
Keep it a name like a June 3 is
mm.
completed up to June 3 and run this command. So after that, it will save this data and you can change the date here.
So manually we have to go and change the date. You mean to say?
Yeah,
Okay,
here.
okay, got it.
Mm,
So even that is what I am telling you. That loop we will make it. So I will try that one tomorrow.
mm.
Because once we make
1
loop,
to
now no
31
need
is there, no?
to
4.
make
Mm.
manual additions.
Yeah, mostly sometimes it is stopping at a starting. This is another code. You
That this
can try again and
same code
again.
in this only I tried. Like AQI final
Yeah.
in Git you have done right. Same code.
Sometimes it is coming for full month. Sometimes it is stopping. Still, we need to add more. We need to work on this
Yes,
code.
got it. But at least can you go like from top, like
Mm,
what are the things, what that code says, something like that overview of your
mm.
scrapping data, so that everyone will get the idea.
As I said, this is the
No, go from starting, even from import. Let me see what things are there.
we are running a Chrome driver from here.
Even top
After
definition,
that,
define you have done some functions, right?
yes.
Mm. So this is a normal import, okay. And the
Mm,
services you are starting with the Chrome driver.
yeah,
After that, you are giving that address where you want to get.
yeah.
Okay.
URL. We are giving URL to this Chrome driver. After that, actually these exceptions are same, but as I have removed from my code, I have kept them separately. After that, I will give only one exception. I think all are same exceptions, but
Okay.
to cross check, I have given different exception like that.
Mhm. So what that exceptions at least can we go through?
Mm. If our if the page is not responsible, so our loop try loop will end and it will come into the exception part. Then this one will again restart this line will again open the I can tell it will reload the page like this. Okay, it will reload this page. I have given this double time, one time is enough.
Yeah, okay. Anyone is enough. Oh.
um, After that we are clicking on we are clicking on this date one.
Okay,
And
okay.
we are choosing month and day, from which day it should start.
So that clicks, whatever clicks it is with the date and other buttons.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is for month. This is
So first one is date. It is it. Don't scroll down. Go up a little. First one is date. ID is equal to date. So it is coming to the date. And second one, it is like December 20 end date. It is.
no, it is clicking on. We are actually, whenever you load the page as we are in the December month, it will take December month only.
Okay.
Okay, so we are giving December. If we go into the January month, then this whenever you load the page, it will go to January page.
Okay.
January here it will. So at that time you need to change from December to January.
So the second.
Otherwise you will get a.
That one.
Otherwise you will get error.
Okay. So
We
what?
need to give current month.
Okay.
Current month.
So currently that it will be in that one, and you since it is saying December, you mentioned here also December, and you are clicking that one, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ravi, one question: how you are checking this XPath which is pointed to December? If you click on it, it should automatically come, right? You should
some extension here.
You need
installed.
to go to you can either do by extension or you need
pay
to
source. Okay.
inspect.
Yeah. Okay.
From
Okay.
here
Yesterday you showed
go.
some.
Yeah,
yesterday
yeah.
you showed some API special browser, right? That's
Now this is the element, right? If you go and copy XPath.
Yes. Okay.
That's it. But we will face challenges. Here we will not get that XPath. Like this is the XPath one. Selector hub is the I am using Selector hub.
Oh, Selector hub. Okay.
So
here you
just
can get
try with that okay. So extra button you will getting.
Copy XPath. Directly you can get it. But if you try here, you will not get right click. If it is coming, it is good. Even though I tried from here also, but it is giving me blank data. Like I copied this one and I tried to get that data, but I got error. Not error. It is giving me blank. Somewhere I did not keep. it. See here, it is giving me blank. I tried with XPath also, this one also, to get this box data. Whenever we will go on that, right, it is popping up in a new tab 353. It is not on this red color one, so we are not able to get that 353.
But yesterday when we see that Control F, some other path was shown, right?
Some it stays in some table or something. How you scrap it now? You already scrapped, right? That one also.
This one.
Yes.
That's one I have done. Like I have extracted the complete HTML code of that page, and I have done like simple Python. HTML.find this December 11, 2029 PM. Then it is giving me like this data, June 15. here is the AQI value 103. After a
Okay.
date, it is coming 103.
Just
We
just
need to extract this 103.
just try to copy that and search and whether you can get some expert there maybe.
No, Ishwar, it is not possible. It is not coming. I tried
Okay.
multiple times.
Okay. Not here. In the
See
bottom
here,
somewhere it is there, right? In that code.
this one only. With XPath, this is the only. It
That is the
is
X path where
mm,
your mouse is clicking, but here the value where it is not in that place. It is somewhere down in the code in the here.
okay.
So what we have
I
done
can show
yesterday
you
is
that one.
Control F
Yes,
and
yes, yeah, 353. I have done that one also,
we
but
didn't get
no
it.
use.
Okay. Hmm.
This one. You want this copy? See, blank.
Okay. Okay. So the same code. Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay, so can we go up again so that at least if we go some sequence now we will got some clear picture. Not here in the top. From we are going in sequence, right? The code.
10 minutes or less.
Uh, yeah,
I
okay,
will.
this is okay. Just only Selenium part, na? That first few things we will
Mm,
just go through. Python, everybody can read them and understand. Okay, so we will try to just go through on a high note, like the script of this Selenium, so that now who are in the
I
call.
will. I will not go through the. Nothing is there in this exception part. It will reload the page again. Simply, it will reload the page and it will click on those elements like it will reopen that same wherever we lost like I have given here I, right?
Hmm.
So it will open from where it lost, it will open from there only.
Mm-hmm.
Here you can see J is date, like
Hmm.
if we lost at the third date it will open now fourth date,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Firstly it will open a June month, after that it will open a third means fourth date, like that,
Hmm.
and it will continue from there.
Okay.
These all are the lists I have created for each for our data frame.
Okay.
After that this is again getting the elements.
So all experts you
You
have
know how to
copied.
get the XPath of each element. You will
Hmm.
need to driver dot find element by XPath and then dot text and store it in a variable,
Hmm.
and you can append them in whenever you want.
Hmm.
I have appended them.
Okay.
This is for June. You can give any months, how many months you want. You
Hmm.
can try to give odd months and even months, like some months 31 dates will be there, some month you will be having 30 dates,
Mm.
and February is exceptional 28. So you need to change this one, or you can write your own for loop for whichever the months you need to run one for loop, and like that, 1
Okay.
to 31, 1 to 30, like that. So I have given like these months are having 30 days, June and September. So I have given 1 to starting from 1 up to 30. It will be. I have given this k equal to 0, because whenever whenever we load this page, and whenever we click whenever we change this
Ravi, any member?
backslash.
Praneeth is waiting for the accept. I think just try to accept him. He's already in the call. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm already,
Pranit another in the call.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
already in sir meetings.
Maybe I have seen
uh,
a message lately. Okay.
I am removing this data whatever is present here, so that it will come to 0. So now at 0 it will get the data and it will append the data. Okay, after that it will go into, actually I kept this increment here. Increment is that here we are clicking, right? This is
Okay.
increment.
For date and all those.
If you copy paste, if you copy XPath, you will get, this is the increment. If you are incrementing each time for 24 hours, 24 times, then this loop will be completed 30 24 hours.
So
If you
for
get
that
any
code, sorry, one time, for that code
mm,
you are clicking right manually. That we have to
mm,
code like a click, or we can directly give the value there.
no, I have given a click, because it will take less time. Because if you want to write this every time, first you need to click a black backspace, and after that you need to enter whatever the time you want. Instead of
Mm-hmm.
taking two steps, if you click one up arrow mark, you will get next one. Here
Okay.
you are taking only one step, but whereas if you want to change, you need to press backspace and go for 6.
Okay.
It will take long time,
Mhm. And
some
try,
time.
go the page again. Go the page again. I just want to know that even top na there will be like 6 cities coming the value. What I'm thinking is even if
Cities. There is some things need to be done still. This
no
code
problem.
is
If
not yet.
something it is pending is completely not an issue. What we are expecting is at least if you have done something and we are also going through it, right? So if you briefly
Yeah.
like telling how you are now telling, if you briefly tell how much you can, then for us now the going through the code it will be
Mm,
like more beneficial.
mm. For the first time only, it will go to this for every day only first one 0 hour will be there, right? In one go only, it will go like a zeroth hour. For zeroth hour only this loop will be there, so no need to worry about this one, this loop. I will try to minimize these two loops also, k equal to 0, if k not equal to 0, these two one also I am trying to minimize it into one loop only.
Mm.
There is no need of two loops here. You, both are same, you can see if k not equal to 0 also we are getting same. But why I have kept is at starting I faced some error, so I have divided them into two parts.
So these loops, right? Loops we are okay, completely fine. Okay, it needs to
Mm,
be somewhere optimized, but somewhere we can able to understand how
mm,
we have to go through like different dates and all those. apart from that, na, take at least one loop and only
Mm.
few things, right? Three places we are changing date. After that, time. Where go to that
No,
page.
no, month, date,
Yes,
and time.
go to the original page where we are scrubbing. At least in that, na, you explain even if it is not in the code. In
See here, month,
uh,
date,
mm,
time.
so go to that original page, not your code.
Original page means
CPC, that website page.
okay. Mm.
So here, so we have a station. It is fixed. You are not changing anything, right?
Ah, yes.
Even state, city, station, it is fixed. So you are not changing anything here. In every loop,
Mm.
what you are changing is this one date and time.
Mm.
Two things,
Yes, yes,
correct?
yes, yes. Only
So,
these.
so click one date. What manual operations you are doing, na, using the code. You try to like tell those things like how are you told it is going
Okay.
button. It is easy like that.
Firstly, we'll click on this. After that, you will get this pop-up. After that, you will click on this December.
Mm.
After that, yeah, I told you right. When in whichever the month you are there, you need to change it. 1 minute. See, here it is coming December. So I kept there December
Mm. So that is first step.
2020.
Now we have to go to
After that,
June.
if you click here,
Mm.
yeah, you need to give June.
Okay.
After that, you select date, whichever the date you want. After that, you need to click here.
Mm.
Same steps I have given
Okay.
there. And if
Okay.
you want to jump into some other date, you can jump onto that time.
Mm. Okay. So both ways you are clicking. Okay, this is thing. So
Mm.
for loops only this
There
much or
are
any extra?
some, this much only.
Okay, for loop it is
You
this
need to
much.
add
In
some exceptions.
correct. So
I
under
have given without exception also.
yeah,
You can
okay,
check that
no
one.
issue. Under one loop, na, like the data, even like AQI, these things, directly you have copied the text path and you have created list and directly you are appending
Mm.
that list, correct?
Yes, yes.
And
Mm.
finally you are making that as a like a CSV file.
Data frame. Mm.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So the mostly that was that scrapping data is like code wise it is like simpler, but exceptions wise what and what it is there we have to go through it. That is the like which I see it is like a unique
Mm.
one.
Yes, yes. Sometimes I have given
I made you host, okay? You can share back again.
Should I share something?
Once again, your voice is low.
Should I share something?
Yeah, your screen is visible like the code you are showing, right?
whatever the manual operations we are performing, same things you can see here. I am sending backspace
Mm.
and I am inputting the J means this date.
Mm.
After coming into, yeah, after coming into J loop, that means date. Every day, after completing one, we will come into two date, right? So we are inputting the date as two.
Ravi, just one. Of course, so we can also extend
Mm,
that. For instead of for range 31, right? We have
mm,
1 month like a Python like month range something a date as month range is there. We can take that.
mm-hmm.
We can add that as a dynamic. Yeah, just we
Okay.
can also do that. Just want to inform that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, you
We'll
can
try.
continue. You can continue. Thank you.
Here we are going into date and it is simply performing as this one. I mean to tell like it is selecting 6 date after completion with and
So where you are creating the
this
variable
is
like
not required. This is not required. This is a this one 171. This is to get this one and time. Here it is changing the clicking on the time one. This one no time. This one and it will increment after that this one.
yeah, click show that one, that increment one.
It is in hour 0 to 24. Firstly it is selecting date. after
Mm-hmm.
after that it is sending backspaces here. It
So
is we are making this suppose we are at now we time is 9 o'clock, right? So if you load this page it will land into 9 o'clock, so we are making this as 0 backspaces.
okay.
After that if it is k is 0 zeroth hour, it will come here and it will try to um, fetch the AQI from
That
here
there
AQI.
only here that time is there na. So every
Mm,
time with one click is enough, means the page na every time when you reload it
mm,
is coming to
mm.
like current date, or with one click enough, with one click you can able to like scrap the data.
From one click you can able to get only one
Like
AQI,
suppose
right? One
you
click,
have
one AQI.
1 o'clock is
Mm,
there now. For the next scrap, for a second hour data in the code, you have to click, you have to come from like current time to 2, or it with one click we can able to like 1 to 2, one jump, it is enough. Got my point or
uh,
still
no, no, did not
see,
get your point.
go to that CPC website
Yes.
under time. Okay, now
Mm,
defaultly when you refresh, firstly when first time when you load, it will be the current time, right? Or before
mm.
time, whatever it is. Okay, and
Default it will be whatever the time right now, it will
current.
be that one.
So now it is 9, so it will show 9, correct?
Yeah, yeah,
But we
yeah.
we have given June date. Okay, so June first it will
Mm,
load date wise, it is okay. And
yeah,
time wise when it comes, we are clicking backspace and we are loading 0, right?
yeah, yeah.
It is going 0. So the
Mm,
first page is loaded in as per our code. In the next loop
mm,
it will come
mm.
from again the date, everything,
No, no, no.
or only one,
In
it will be
no.
same date wise, it will
In
be same.
only it will change up to 24 hours. Firstly, it will change up to 24 hours. After that, it will change date
Hmm.
from 1 to 2. Now
Okay,
again, it will start 0.
okay. So
From
every
here again 24.
under each loop, the page is not getting refreshing. It is whatever last page it is there, it is been there, right?
No, sometimes if it is not able to get the value or if it is not able to find the element,
Uh,
so at the time it will come into the exception path
uh,
because it is not able to find that element. Whatever you are trying to click, that
okay.
element is not available. So it is going into exception and
Hmm.
it is trying to reload the page from starting.
Hmm. Okay.
Whatever the process you have done, that process will be done again.
Okay.
Now it will, as the it is stored in the temporary variable where we lost before, it will continue from the next date.
Okay, okay.
That one we need to take care again. Whichever the date we lost, we need to take care of it again. I have given it here. See, exception one dot append I, append j. These are the month. This is month and date which we have done exception. Like it got error, so we need to take care of them.
Okay. So
This is June month.
yeah, got it. Means whatever the current date or month, it is
First
keeping.
date.
It is going to save in that parameter for every loop.
No, if it is coming into exception part only, it will save this date, right?
Oh,
If it is not
okay.
coming to exception, it will not save this date. So
Okay.
it is got successful.
Mm-hmm.
Now I am getting these errors a lot. You can see in my GitHub also. I am able to scrap lot of months successfully.
Okay.
See here Excel June, November, September, February, January, July.
Mm-hmm.
In July, we are not having data on 12th and 13th. So I have saved up to July 11th and I have given in for loop again from 14th date to 31st date.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah, yeah.
You need to change simply these dates.
Mm.
If you are able to get up to 28th date, now you no need to run again from starting. You can change date from 29.
Okay.
We'll share if something is updated. You can also share if something is updated from you.
Yeah, sure.
Anyone?
So code wise, any other thing you want to like highlight, like these are the things which
No,
you
no,
feel difficult,
nothing.
like that? No, right?
No, no, nothing
Okay.
else is there.
Okay.
Simply this exception part only we need to take care of.
Okay. So Narayana, you also gone through this code or
Yes,
you told?
yes, yes. I saw
Okay.
that. Yeah,
So what?
just executed. I just high level. I gone through. Yes, understood the flow.
Mm.
Yeah. So definitely now the code is going to be shaped. It's not fully shaped. It may take maybe 1 or 2 days. It is okay, fine. So is there any other thing, Narayana? Do you want to discuss in this like scrapping thing? Like
No, if at all anything, any task is there on top of that, I can work on that.
okay.
We are
Because
able,
I asked
now I
Ravitej
am
all,
trying, yeah, now I am trying to get this data. As I
so
showed you, I
2.5
am
only.
trying
Okay.
with Python to get the data,
Okay, you already
direct
got right?
AQI value.
Okay, you already got, or shall I work on something on that?
I got that
Okay,
only AQI value. Still, I
okay,
need to put it in a loop so that for every hour we can get.
okay. You
I
got
am
the only one
working.
piece of single element.
Yeah, I
Just tried
tried
to
for
get
one
it.
element. Yeah,
Okay,
I
okay,
need to put it in loop. And you can
okay,
also try for PM10, PNO2, CO, ozone, all these things.
okay,
Let
okay.
us
You can,
see if you
yeah,
are able to get, you can share it
yeah.
firstly.
Sure, sure. So I will also try. You can share me that, of course, for everybody. You can
Mm.
share that code,
Piece
last
of
piece of
code.
code, right? Last piece of
Okay,
code,
okay.
so that will
Yes.
be helpful to
Yeah.
instead of researching again.
Hmm. Okay. This is, see, what I wanted is like I will tell once again, so
Yes.
there is no, like we need to get from the uh, last column, right? That is
Yes.
the AQA. No, not AQA. PM 2.5, PM10, all
yeah,
Yeah. Last
last
hour.
last
data.
hour one.
Hmm.
Yes.
We need to get that to be
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
So scrapping wise, only that that last hour data for all parameters, it is code was not fully done. You mean to say that one, right?
Mm.
So remaining
Yes.
all, it is okay.
Mm.
Remaining scrapping
Okay.
of every data, it is coming. Only that last parameter one, you feel somewhat difficult.
Mm. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Then maybe Narayana, you can look into that one, that part alone, so that
Yes, yes.
he can. It will be useful for him.
Sure. I will concentrate on that one
Uh,
to get that last
because
hour data.
code now, instead of us going through it and optimize it, it is
Yes.
better him to take care. And
Yes.
if anything like Ravina, you are facing some issue on some particular part, try to explain that part, so that now some of
Mm.
us we will try to extract that or research on that and give a solution. And integration wise, you
Yeah.
take care of, because code wise it will be like where what was happening. Since you have written now, it will be easy for you to fit into
Yeah, I
where it
am
is required.
also getting a lot of confusion to go through that code. So I am not able to explain it clearly. You
Yes,
can
I
see
understood
a
you.
lot of repetitions.
Because sometimes repetition of code we will do. Sometimes we will be like only for that particular situation to fit that code. We will write something. Okay, optimization definitely it takes time. No problem. Let it take time.
Mm.
But instead of stucking somewhere and breaking your head, right? Ask in the group or directly call and ask, no issue at all. So that others may have
Mm.
the helping hand for your case.
Mm.
Okay, so I think maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow it is good, right? Only one parameter we need to get it. Code wise, can we freeze tomorrow then? Only one parameter, right? At least I hope.
Let us see how much
Ah,
time it will take.
optimization
We
you don't.
cannot.
Optimization wise,
Uh,
don't consider that tomorrow. But at least code
mm.
wise and that extracting data wise, if we have some code to extract the data, then we like if it is taking time in one PC, we will share in to our group and we will each extract for 1 month like that. So that now your code will be going on parallel, and that Excel file,
Mm.
the other task we will try to initiate it. Because this code now,
Mm.
you are only one who is working and we will be giving only helping hand. We are not concentrating much on this.
Mm.
It's useful. Whoever interested, they can work and they can do it. That is not a problem.
So and also it is a one-time piece of run, right?
Yes,
Generally
correct.
to extract now. It's
Mm.
not repetitive one. Like yeah. Yes. So we can less spend on this one. So else because the main thing is extraction of data, we can distribute the code. We can each person can extract few months.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we jump to next one, next topic? Is scrapping wise it is okay, right? Any other, both of you? Can we go to next topic?
Yes, yes, sure. And Sripati is waiting something because he
No,
had
he
to join.
he went to some other meeting.
Okay,
He has a
okay,
MTech
okay,
group meeting, something collided and
okay.
something.
Sure, sure. Not a problem. I thought he's waiting in the join.
So
Okay, sure.
my work is a little like less one. I will share that. Where is this? So this I tried. I have showed to you. So in collab also we can able to. And what else? This one. So finally now I can able to integrate this mice into my code, and I get the data. But this fortunately or unfortunately, this is coming in the bottom, not in the top. Maybe Aman, what you can do it, right? This is the mice. I have given comments here where it is starting, and here it is starting and here it is ending. Okay, the mice part. And here applying transformation, I have given comment. Only this part is that the code part. Even only one line of code it is. So whether we can change this and check, I'm not sure about this one. If you have any idea now, try to change this and see whether any best value it is coming or not.
Yeah, yeah, we can iterate for longer values. Yeah.
So do you mean to say, is it like 15 is the optimum value which you have seen among all those values?
I have tried for 15, I have tried for 30 also, and it was little difference.
Only
So
little
we
difference.
can,
Okay. Hmm.
yes, yes. So we can increase the iteration, and check the value if it's giving us less error. then we can keep that iteration.
So we can play only with this, right? Not any other iteration or any other color
Yeah,
method.
for iteration we can only play. Uh, yeah.
So even I have shared that the screenshots, right? So my observation
Yes. Yes.
with this mice, the score it is coming in the bottom, and second thing is it is applying through the total data frame. That is which I have seen. So I cannot do only for particular one column like PM 2.5. If I want to apply, I cannot able to apply like that. It is also there. So that is one more constraint. And why that error it is coming, I am not sure whether that library itself it is like depreciated something, it is showing in that error so many times. So I got like confused whether there is any alternative syntax for this or something like that. Is there anything like that?
No alternative syntax is not there.
Okay, so that is the only one. So whether okay, score wise leave it, whether we can proceed with that for other purpose, or it is like being like discarded.
We can. I will try it for changing the iteration values.
Mm.
Then we will come to final conclusion what
Okay,
we should use.
yeah, okay. So this is what my observation. This who is Ravi Teja? What else?
Actually, we are getting error because it is converting into array.
Converting into array. What
Yeah.
is the problem in
If
that one?
any other processes, it's giving in data range, but for this it's giving in array because we are using fit transform method,
Correct.
so it gives in array form.
Okay, so you mean to say like that again conversion of array to this
Data frame.
data frame you feel like the data is not sitting
Yeah,
like in
it
proper dates and all those.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Then look into it. If it fits now, then it is good for us. Okay. But even the graph wise, I can see it is in the bottom. Even the values which we seen it is in the bottom. So at this moment, that mice, and we can
Okay.
conclude P chip and Kima. Okay.
Yeah.
So approaches, right? Whether you have gone through.
Yes, I have gone through. It's all mathematical. It is basically piecewise chip. Its
Mm-hmm.
full form is piecewise chip for P chip, and
Mm-hmm.
it's all mathematics involved in that we are calculating the derivative, and according to that we are finding.
Mhm. So there is no such reference like for this type of graphs we will apply. So this transformation it will apply. So in general, like if you want to say in a word, whether it says something like that.
For Akima, I found that the it finds it fills the missing values to smooth the curve.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So whatever the curve it is going in that same path, it will try to go and in a smoother way, not in jumping way. Akima, right?
Yes, in the smooth path.
Okay.
Yes, smooth curve.
And the other one, a Pichip.
P chip is basically piecewise chip, and it's all mathematics involved in that.
Okay.
Some Hamilton cube, all these things was involved. So uh, I didn't find any
Yeah, like
way
try
to
to get
explain.
that descriptive part, like what is
Okay, okay.
that one, then it will be like for us now we want something to remember that now we want some base of, right? So for
Okay.
this
I will go
this
through
is that.
some YouTube channel and
Mm.
conclude that. By going to Wikipedia, I don't find anything interesting
Mhm.
to describe it in shorter terms or in my term.
Okay, so is there any other thing you want to like share?
No, I don't. Right now, I don't.
Okay.
If we decide about the missing values, then we can go ahead.
That is what missing values wise, the two approaches it is final. Whatever the fundamental background it, right, we'll try to get it in a parallel path. We will not stop for that. Okay. So
Okay, okay.
day by day, maybe we are getting new things. We are improving our knowledge. That is
And
the
the
process we
data
go.
and the data we will use this one only, or we will scrap it another data.
Scrapping of data is best because we are getting everything in one page, and even AQ value also for reference we are getting. So that's what even Narayana, even you, we have discussed in the last meeting, right? So that scrapping file which
Anyway,
current
because anyway we are scrapping AQI, right? Anyway is one flow.
Yes,
Just we
yes.
can scrap that one
Mhm.
also, that idea. One part of it.
Okay.
So
And also the values what we see in AQI, that page, the last hour data and the actual what is we downloaded, what we got, that also totally different. So after calculation also we cannot compare the AQI page there
So
to
that's
see
why
exactly
I'm
what's match.
asking for that we should move away ahead with that data, or with new data.
So if we want to move with the whatever data which we have read in the past one, then we have to calculate
Yes,
the AQI. So for that, some
yes, yes.
calculation part is like that. Some time it will take, some amount of time. So at the same time, this scrapping of data can also be done. Okay, this almost reached, at least even though the code wise is lengthy or not optimized, we can scrap the data. Okay, and we can use for our next steps. So I didn't see much difference in both the codes. It is still in the base, we cannot, it will take much time, like that it is not I see only difficult in calculation part, because calculation part it is we are doing it, but whether it is correct or not, we don't have any reference, and whichever reference we are having now, it is showing the wrong value. So based
Okay.
on that, if we go, then for us now, we will even build the models, but without any reference. If we go, then we will say what we have done, we cannot prove it. Like, yes, this is correct, this is wrong, or this is coming nearby, like that.
Even if we are creating a model, we need the correct data, right, Ishwar? That's why this is only to create any model. Firstly, we need to train the data. But if we are giving the wrong AQI,
Mm,
I am telling about Shivani's like,
mm.
if we are giving wrong AQI and wrong data, how our model will uh, get into
Or
live?
else one thing we can do. Okay, Ravi,
Mm,
you are continuing with this code, right? Let it take one
mm,
day or 2 day, no problem.
mm,
In between, since other people are there, what I
mm.
am thinking is uh, that all values we have, all filling up null values also we can do it. Okay, it is like a 10 minutes job. And calculation part, uh, if we can able to figure it out by tomorrow, then even in the Excel, worst case, even if the Excel is okay. So if we
Mm,
can able to calculate that AQI, okay, we have 3 years of data, so we will take 2 years of data, okay,
mm,
and we will try to get the third year data, current year data, whatever it is. Okay, so we will try to build a model. So in that process, we will go, and even we will try to research some other approaches, like finding out outliers, smoothing of data, trends, and all those. These things we have to go through, right? We can continue with the task like that, taking that past 2 years data, and we have that third year data, which is current year data, to test. So we can split that data whichever we have, and we can try to guess it. That is also one possibility. Once that scrapping of data of Raviteja is completed, right?
mm,
We can
mm.
replace that data, and we can retrain the model.
Okay,
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
also nice. No need to stop
So
ongoing process.
shall we concentrate, like two teams we will divide? Okay, Ravi and some other will maybe Narayana, since
Mm,
he is looking into code, right? You both concentrate on that and try to extract data as much as you can, and
okay.
calculation part, or the remaining people will work on, so that we will try to come up with the final AQI
Yeah, both
value
ideas also.
to fit
Mm,
that data. Good, right,
okay.
Aman?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So you, Praneeth, try to go through, use this formula, okay, to fill that values. You can fill that all the 7 parameters. After that, you try to get that AQI value by tomorrow. Okay, we will have a tomorrow meeting, right? That is different meeting. Anyhow, we will have some 15 minutes of meeting at the end, okay, of that meeting, so that if we can able to fill even in the Excel, okay, with that formula, it will be good. Like that, the model, next approaches, we are ready to go. If you are facing
Okay,
any
okay, I will
difficulties,
go.
then we will discuss in deep what is happening. You understood that calculation part, or you are having any doubt of it?
No, in Excel sheet it is given how to calculate it
Ah,
on the CPCR website
yes.
with 7 parameters which we have taken it.
Mm-hmm. So you understood, or you want to like any
No,
more?
no, I understood it how to calculate it.
Okay.
I think I will go through once and then I will
Mm-hmm.
tell you.
So Praneeth, yourself,
Yeah, I
you
had
under
a, I
you un
need to go through the calculation. I just 2 days back I did the AQ collection, which is shared by Word document. No?
mm,
There is a submit access right now.
correct.
I just need a one time go through and I'll make it.
Or else, I will try to open that Word document. So we will have some open discussion since we have not yet, touched that part, and we'll try to close that part. Narayana, you have also gone through it. I will share my screen. If something is
Yeah,
wrong,
sure,
try to like
sure, sure, sure.
so seeing this single graph, right? You can able to see my screen.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, Seeing this single graph, we can able to like the flow, total flow. We can able to get it. Like hourly data we are getting. So we have all hourly data. Then what our next step is, we have to calculate 24 hours average from here to here. Whatever parameters is there, PM to NH3. So these 5 parameters we have to calculate average of 24. So current, if we are calculating for this hour, means this hour to last 24, that it has to calculate for this. And for this, here it is given maximum 8 hours maximum, but in CPC website it has given 8 hours average. Okay, so both ways anyone is okay if you ask me. But go with average, since most of the trends, even there it is also showing only average, it is not showing max. Correct, right? This part, the like CPC web trends values, where we are scrapping, in that also it
yes,
is showing the
average.
maximum, not maximum, that average value.
Yes,
Correct.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. It's showing average.
So we will take average 8 hours average, this is 24 hours average. And the exception for this one, or limitation I can say, minimum 16 hours of data should be there for this 5. If it is less than 16 hours of data, then we can say the data is insufficient from here to here. For this 8 hours it is there, there is no limitation. So 8 hours, I'm thinking that it is must. Again, Narayana or some other, is it must like 8 hours data is required, or we can go some like 6 hours or 5 hours? I didn't see any comment for this one, but for this they have given 16 hours. Even with 16 hours of data you can able to do that one, it is okay. If you are getting 24 hours, it is good. If you are getting only 16 hours, past 16 hours, it is okay. If you are going below 16 hours, then it is data is insufficient. So
Okay, okay.
while calculating now, if use, that is offshore, because we are filling everything with uh, we are going with some values. And this 8 hours are below, I haven't seen in, just please comment on this. But it is clear, right? Average and this one. Okay, and after that there is sub index for each parameter we have to calculate. So what is sub index? I will go through it. In the bottom there is a formula, we have to put these averages, and these there are limits, it is there, those limits we have to keep in that formula, and it will give the sub index. So after calculating the sub index, right, whatever maximum value among these sub indexes it is there, that is the AQI value for that particular hour. And in this also there is two color codes are there. So these and this, among these two, one should be compulsory, and in total three should be compulsory. Even there is like question, no need to get all the data and calculate. If you have only these three data, it is also sufficient. If you have one data here, two data here, that is also sufficient. and if you have 16 hours of data here, that is also sufficient. So taking these exceptions, we can able to get that value, average, subindex, and then maximum among those things we can able to calculate whatever maximum it is. This is the QA. So this part clear again, anybody?
Ishwar, just want to add it actually. Why I'm feeling that why it was given as 16 hours means so last 24 hours they check in the data, right? In some of the hours it can be null values also, as you see in EQA
Yes,
form
yes, yes.
also. So at that time they are taking the minimum, like last 24 hours minimum should be is
16
window
hours.
is 60, window is 24 hours only.
Correct.
But calculation at least minimum should be 16 data should be there in after
Correct.
24 hours.
So if you are taking some 17 hours means we have to average with 17 values, not 24 hours
So
while
for
calculating.
us for now we are everything we are actually imputing the values, right? We should be 100% 24 hours only
And
because we are imputing.
here imputing with the values, that is okay, but if the data is like continuous data for 16 hours is not there, then we are skipping those. So delete those rows. That is one more point, Aman, for you. Okay, if the
Okay,
data
okay.
is continuously not there for 16 hours, then predicting those values, it is waste. So wherever null values, if you see now, those null values you directly delete it, continuous null values with count greater than 16. Okay. So coming back to this subindex, we have two things which
We can directly delete that date
which
because
day
if it's not containing 16 hours of data,
uh,
that day we can delete now because we are
not see today midnight 2 o'clock to like previous day it is there, then 2 days are overlapping, right?
yeah.
So date
Okay.
you don't
For
consider
We
for
it.
are
that tower,
Hour.
for that tower it will be null.
Correct.
It will not get that value for
okay.
the tower.
Correct. Okay. So here for AQA, right, we have 4 parameters we have to keep it in mind. One, it is this one 0 value and 50 value. Again these 7 parameters, it is 0, 50. So for each parameter there are different values. So which one we are calculating, those we have to take. This is constant for all the things. For each parameter these are there. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you take 1 pm 10, it is 4 parameters for this, these two and these two, 4 parameters. Apart from that, what the average are we are getting, that is one one value. So total 5. So all those 5, right? We formula they have given it very slow. Yeah, this is that subindex. This is subindex. So total 1 BH low 1 4 and CP. So 5 parameters I have shown you. So those, if you keep it, then you will get this pollutant concentration, this value. So this, if it is maximum for any particular out of 7, whichever it is maximum, that is the AQA of that one. That is it, simple. So using Excel, right, if we can able to like have all the parameters and one new column, you can able to get it in the simplest way, you can go through that. Or if you can able to do it in Python code, that is also well and good, both ways. So finally
I
we want
think
only
Python
AQLs.
code. I think previously some Pavan or somebody, right? He posted some link where this whole calculation already there in Python, which I saw.
But he added it is not working or matching something. We can take
Okay.
reference, no issue, no
Yeah,
problem.
yeah. It's a reference, just for reference. Just
Mhm.
I'm checking. Yes, to see how it is they did. Okay.
So Aman and Praneeth, you both just try to only the difficult part is getting into this. So for each parameter, you are picking the values and fitting it, and you are getting the output of it, right? So that is the difficult part. And the second difficult part, which I can see, is last 16 hours data it is not missing, means you are deleting that rows. Okay, you are deleting that rows, but while calculation part, if you are deleting that rows, it should not take uh, the next value, the previous next value. So that uh, be careful, because if you delete, if it is like today's date and before today's date the next value it is there, then it will try to capture that one. So keep that or make it 0, whatever it is you can do it.
Okay.
So if you are facing any difficulty, let's see tomorrow, so that now others also can parallelly work on that one.
Okay.
I think any other thing, Narayana, you want do only these two things. If you freeze, then only we can move ahead, right? There is no other
Yes, after
way.
freezing, then we need to, if at all anybody is left, they can check on this outliers one.
Yeah,
Else, these two things are main.
these things are main. No need to even distribute for multiple things and get it
Yes.
diverted.
Yes, sure. I think it's enough for working on two things parallelly.
Yes, correct.
So, correct
So
process.
for today, I think it is good. We can conclude, I think, right?
Yes.
So tomorrow we have same time, right? 9 o'clock.
Sure.
Okay. So
Let
that
us
is
ask for others also because some members are not joining. Right?
which one? Which one you want to ask?
Some people are not joining, right? Let us ask in group what time everyone will be available to join call.
For tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Sripati also did not join.
Sripati, yeah, he's actually last 2 days he told he went out for some guest pickup something, and today he has some sharing meeting. He's telling, okay, no problem. We will ask in group, okay, but keep in the same time so that now every mindset
Yeah.
it will be there, or else we'll forget that time. At least we
Okay.
will try to remember that date only. Okay, tomorrow is
Yeah.
there or not, and time we will try to maintain the same thing so that we will time. We can make other things.
Is anyone attending classes?
I am not. I'm from day learning is live classes, and always I prefer to go.
Okay. Did anyone complete NLP deep learning?
Yeah, eyes were completed for me, but I didn't. I am not that much comfortable still.
That's what we once we have
Yeah.
hands on, then
Yeah.
only we feel like I have done my own, or I have gone through it. Or
Yes.
else
Yeah.
reading, it will be always reading only. It will not give comments.
Yeah. Okay.
I think it's getting over this.
Yeah,
This
time
one.
is
Yeah.
getting over. Okay, we'll see you, but come up with some ideas, new ideas, which makes our profile highlighted.
Sure.
Okay then.
Bye.
Good night.
Okay. Bye.
Good night.